What is up, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls? It is your boy here, Jacob Rothenberg, Kindle publisher, full-time. Don't claim to be the best, don't claim to be the highest earning, but fuck, I'm pretty good. So, today is Black Friday. My earnings are through the roof today. It's like, what time right now? So far in California, it's 8:30, and I am nearing $900 so far for the day. If I reach $1,000 today, I will throw a Q&A on Sunday where you can ask me anything and everything except for what keywords I publish for, even though it's pretty much out there on YouTube. So, super excited. Oh my gosh, this is crazy. Whew, I'm already super excited, but if I hit the $1,000 milestone for a day, that means everything to me. So, things are looking hot. And to celebrate the fact that I could possibly reach $1,000 a day, what I'm going to do now is actually show you 100 hot keyword ideas. And this is not bullshit. This is a real thing, and this is meaningful. I'm going to show you how to use the Amazon bestsellers top 100 list intelligently, my way, to come up with book ideas. Book ideas that you can still implement right now before Christmas. Guys, it is not too late to publish a new book and do well for December. Not too late at all. So, what you've been told by a lot of authority figures, I suppose, on YouTube, if you've been watching other videos from other channels, is to avoid getting keyword ideas from the top 100 bestsellers list. The rationale being is that these niches or keywords are going to be super saturated, super competitive with possible publishers that are featuring the likes of Michelle Obama. And with that, you can't really compete against someone like Michelle Obama in the way of biographies, or against Jennifer Smith with Instant Pot cookbook recipes. That is true. But what I'm going to show you right now is going to blow your mind. How to use this list and still come up with keyword ideas that are profitable, that are insanely profitable, and you can still publish for and do well. So, quick disclaimer, a lot of these books you're going to see are either going to be trademarked or copyrighted. This is just to give you ideas. You don't want to get into anything that could possibly get you into repercussions for trademark infringement, so just be careful. So, for instance, you don't want to... Ooh, this already looks bad. Number 6 on the bestsellers list is the unofficial Harry Potter joke book. Okay, with only 15 reviews, yet it's number 6. Number 6. Number 6 in all of Amazon books. Now, we don't know what could be going on here with the authorization of this title. Perhaps they were able to get permission from J.K. Rowling to publish a book on this, and it looks like it has a little blurb, or it did. This book might have been allowed by J.K. Rowling to publish for, but again, it's a joke book for kids based on Harry Potter. So maybe based on this, you could come up with a joke book about animals, about adults, about senior citizens, about children. We could even be a little bit politically incorrect about certain ethnicities, cultures, races. You know, play the game, look at other keywords, and see what you can spawn off of. Why does a book with only 15 reviews do so well? Even though it's published by a supposed publisher, it's highly in demand. It's super in demand right now for Q4. So what I'm going to tell you right now is, as you scan through the top 100 list for the Amazon bestsellers, is if you access the bestsellers and books, just type in amazon.com/best-sellers-books-Amazon. You'll get here. And what I want you to do is look at the books that have an extraordinarily low amount of reviews, and this is likely the hallmark of a self-published author, as self-published authors usually, not always, but usually don't have the resources to gather many reviews. So, okay, case in point, Number 17, I like this. It's not trademarked. A unicorn coloring book for kids ages 4 through 8. Okay, price at $5.51. That's all right. It's ranked number 17 in all of Amazon for books, so you know it sells extremely well. Yes, it doesn't seem to be self-published, but there is nothing stopping you from producing your own unicorn book. So that right there is super hot. There's literally nothing stopping you. Just hire an illustrator. You know, the unicorns are not trademarked. I know this is totally legit. You can even copy this exact same title, this exact same concept, and you'll make at least some money in December. Guarantee it. Now, what else can we find here? I'm looking again for books with low reviews that can give us ideas. Again, we don't want to touch anything that's obviously copyrighted, like Disney. You don't want to touch Disney, man. I even don't like the idea of getting something out on Harry Potter. I assume these authors are getting permission from they're getting the proper rights. Okay, now this does have a lot of reviews, but how to draw 101 animals. Okay, this is going to be a step-by-step guide on how to draw 101 different animals. Maybe you can come up with a book on how to draw different individual animals. Okay, we're just generating ideas that we can publish for. All right, so dad jokes. Okay, there's nothing stopping you from doing dad jokes. Gosh, there's just so much good stuff here. Again, you have to be super picky. Like, you have to be able to pick out what can you copy and what's trademarked and you shouldn't copy. But I think that might be the conclusion of what we can get off of the top 100. Again, we were looking for those low-reviewed books. So here we go. Oh, this is cool. Granted, it does have 100 reviews, but this is cool. People of Walmart. It's an adult coloring book. Okay. I don't want to click it. It's gonna probably generate some bad stuff. But again, you can just come up with something funny like this, and you're gonna make some sales for Christmas. Guaranteed. All right. So again, use the top 100 list from Amazon to come up with keyword ideas. Look at keywords that have low amount of reviews that you can come up with ideas for, and stay away from things that are trademarked. You don't want to get into there was a lot here like Paw Patrol, Disney, Harry Potter, Sesame Street. No. Stay out of that. So again, just see what you can come up with, and guys, move your butts. Stop playing around on your PS4, on your Xbox, on your PC. Get to work. Let's make money this November and this December, okay? There's publishers right now reaching their first 5-figure month this month. I will likely be one of them at this rate, crossing my fingers, hope to gosh. So until then, guys, keep working, and I'll see you later.